We get renders of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and the Unpacked event can't come any sooner. iPads seem to have Face ID software, even though we don't know about the hardware, and if you want to get that silk white OnePlus 6, you're gonna have to wait for it. I'm Jaime Rivera, and Wednesdays. They're not Fridays necessarily, but they're getting close, and I can't wait for tomorrow's event, by the way. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. If you are in the market for the Samsung Galaxy S9, this is the best time to buy, as there are buy one get one free deals now available. You'll learn more details in the description. If you're lucky, you might even get a Gear 360 camera, even though mine's in the drawer because I've never really used it. But you probably would. It's free. You can learn more again in the description. Other official news have to do with the silk white OnePlus 6 as well, I already have my unit, it is gorgeous, and it is sold out. It is so sold out that, well, it was a limited edition, we expected that, but it happened in just a few minutes, and if you want to get your hands on that unit, you're going to have to wait for restocking until June 12th. Is it worth it? Yeah, it is. Now let's talk about Samsung and the company's whole plan with what pertains to virtual reality. I mean, the Gear VR is something nice to have, but again, one of those things that I rarely use. Apparently the company is going to rebrand the hardware. Now it's going to be called Galaxy VR. We're not exactly sure if this has to do with that whole VR display that they came up with and the possibility of a better Gear VR. Sorry, Galaxy VR. But whatever the case may be, we're not sure if it's going to be announced with the Galaxy Note 9 or the Galaxy S10. I would say Galaxy S10 given how close we are to the possible Note 9. Now let's move the spotlight over to Apple, as for those of you that are wondering when we're getting Face ID on the iPad, it's getting closer than ever, mainly because if you go into the beta of iOS 12 on iPads, there are options for Face ID on that hardware. So there is no more official leak than that one. Apple is working on it. Maybe that's the reason why we didn't get any iPads or any other hardware at WWDC. Stay tuned. And finally, the hot news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. We're expecting the Unpacked event to happen somewhere around August 9th, but we have some CAD renders on video. What's most important is that the cameras apparently are going to continue to be horizontal. It seems that the fingerprint scanner is going to be at the bottom. Thank you, Samsung. And apparently, even though we're getting a 3850 milliamp hour battery, which is a slight bump to the current 3500 one that we have, wait, 3300 if I remember correctly. Well, it turns out that this phone is actually going to be slimmer. So let us know in the comments what you think about the Galaxy Note 9. Do you like the design, which looks a little boxier? Pretty much like the Note 8. In my case, I like it a lot. I like the Galaxy Note lineup. You know this, but leave us a comment down below. We would love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here, and our thoughts on the always connected PC down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.